Hello everybody, and I'm going to be showing you on how to create a Regen Core, since it was the most suggested. There was only one suggestion though, so that's why I have steel. You can obtain steel by number one, getting a caltrop. Number two, getting a steel sword from a raider. Uh, getting steel from, like, I think a raider village, a tower, or an ambush area. And how do you exactly get steel from a caltrop and a steel sword? Compressor. The way you try to get the compressor is very difficult, since uh, like there are things that weigh you down. There's a lot. There's a giant raider, which I call a titan raider, and a tank there, which does a lot of damage, I must say. And there is an abundance of raiders there. So I would try to beat some bosses first, so that you are able to defeat them. I would highly recommend building a wall, so that if enemies get here, it will like take a way much more longer time to get there. Anyways, back to the Regen Core thing. So how to make a Regen Core. Get your white cube, place it on the steel, making a steel cube, which you will need. Let's just not mind that for a quick sec. I mean, a very fat second. Okay, so you need to shove your dirt cubes into here, or just like put your dirt cubes into there, until you get iron and gold. So you need 1 iron and 1 gold. That's the wrong thing. So what you have to do is to place it down on a white cube, get a gold cube, place it down on an iron, making an iron cube. Not again, give that. Okay, so now if you plop this, and then if you make a forge cube, which is an iron cube plus gold cube, then you place down the steel cube, you make a reinforced forge cube. And this is going to be very, very useful once you get another iron, and then then get your white cube, place the iron cube down, then put your reinforced forge cube on the iron cube, making a reinforced plate cube. Now this is where the confusing part comes. So what you need is iron, gold, iron, then iron. Yeah, that happens. This happens. I am not going to explain it. What? Hey, what you? Oh my gosh! Shove it over there. Okay. Okay, so problem. I need another iron. Okay, so again, this pretty simple. Then this, plate cube. Then you take your green cube, then place a plate cube on here, makes a healer cube. Now, time for the other time-consuming part. So gold, iron, gold. Place gold over here, iron, and gold. Okay. So, gold, iron, forge, weld. Weld plus healer cube makes regen cube. And then reinforced plate cube plus regen cube. Huh? Wait, hold up. Something's... Wait, hold up, wait. I might have okay. I have finally known. It's going to take a way much more longer process. So, first you need ice cube, water cube. Water cube plus ice cube makes a glacier cube. Rock cube, and then rock cube plus furnace. Makes a molten sphere. Makes lava cube. Glacier cube plus gold lava. Glacier cube plus lava cube equals a cold lava cube. And I know I have things over here for the... Wait, I need to deal with this raid. Okay, I'm back. So, even though I have the materials for that, I am going to show you it. I will give myself paint so that you won't have to. So that it can be more in depth. So, gold, iron, iron. Then you do this process. Plate cube. And then, okay. So, gold, iron, gold. You need to do that a second time. So, gold cube, iron cube, gold cube. So now, weld cube, and gold cube plus plate cube equals gold plate cube. Put it on the cold lava cube, which makes an enricher. Now, it's going to take an even more longer time. So you just gotta wait. So, iron, gold, and gold. Gold cube, and iron. So, then wood cube, then enricher, and wood cube makes an enrichment cube. So now put the regen cube on it, which makes an enriched regen cube, plus the reinforced plate cube, so that you can finally make a regen core. Confusing, right? I know. That's why I'm gonna make a quick explanation on it in the description. Bye everyone, and don't forget to say